Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Microsoft Teams tabs for Planner and Documents. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams and navigate to the team where you want to set up your tabs. Click on the desired channel within that team. At the top of the channel, look for the plus icon to add a new tab. Click on the plus icon. A window will pop up displaying various apps and options. Select Planner from the list of available applications. If you don't see Planner, use the search bar to find it. Once you select Planner, you'll be prompted to either create a new plan or use an existing one. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If creating a new plan, enter a name for your plan. Click Save to add the new Planner tab. Now, to add a document tab, again click on the plus icon at the top of the channel. This time, choose SharePoint or File depending on where your documents are stored. If using SharePoint, select the relevant document library. Locate the file or folder you want to add. Once found, click Next. If you selected File, navigate to the required document in your file storage. After selecting the document, click Save. Both tabs are now set up and ready for use. You can click on the tabs to easily access Planner and your documents anytime. Feel free to rearrange the tabs by dragging them to your desired order. This completes your setup of Microsoft Teams tabs for Planner and Documents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.